welcome back to our channel. Now, are you ready to change the way you commute? Whether you are navigating busy city streets, looking for a sustainable way to get around, or just want to enjoy a smoother, more efficient ride, the Engwe P20 folding e-bike is here to revolutionize your daily travels. With smart features like a torque sensor, maintenance-free carbon belt, and integrated lights and indicators, this bike is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It is your ultimate commuting partner. Let's take a closer look at what makes this e-bike stand out from the rest. First, let's talk about the torque sensor. This is where the Engwe P20 really shines. Imagine riding with minimal effort and the bike automatically adjusting to match your pedal strokes. It's smooth, it's intuitive, and it makes your commute feel like a breeze. Whether you are speeding through flat roads or tackling uphill climbs, the torque sensor adjusts the motor's power to give you exactly the boost you need. It feels as though the bike is an extension of your own body, responding to every move you make. And speaking of power, the 250 watt motor with 42 Nm of torque gives you all the power you need to handle tough city streets without breaking a sweat. But what makes this motor so special? It's whisper quiet. No more loud, distracting motor noises. You will glide through the city with supreme comfort and quiet. Whether you are commuting early in the morning or late at night, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a truly silent ride. So, I have been riding the Engwe P20, and let me tell you, it's pretty impressive for what it offers. Now, in Europe, it's restricted to 25 km per hour because of legal limits. But Engwe claims it can hit 32 km per hour. And guess what? I am 185 cm tall, weighing 120 kg. And even with full load, this thing had no problem maxing out at top speed. The handlebars are nice and wide, super comfy on the grip. And the little screen is bright enough to see even in daylight. It has got all the info you need, speed, battery, etc. With 3 speed modes to choose from right on the screen. Oh, and there is a loud little bell. The pedals are foldable too, so storage is a breeze. Plus, when I tested it on a steep hill with pedal assist, I still managed to hit 20 km per hour. So yeah, this thing can climb. It's got 120 kg max load capacity and the rear rack can hold up to 15 kg. So, it's built for both comfort and practicality. Maintenance is another key feature where the Engwe P20 excels. The carbon belt, which lasts for 33,000 km drive, is not only durable but completely maintenance-free. Say goodbye to greasy chain and constant upkeep. With this carbon belt, you won't have to worry about the wear and tear of traditional bike chains. It's clean, quiet, and designed to last. Just hop and ride, knowing that your bike is built to go to distance, without the need for constant tinkering. Convenience is key in today's fast-paced world, and the Engwe P20 makes portability effortless. With its 3-step folding system, you can have the bike folded and ready to carry in just 10 seconds. Lightweight at only 18.5 kg, the P20 is easy to lift with just one hand. Whether you are taking it onto public transport, up a flight of stairs, or storing it in a trunk of your car, the P20 adapts to your lifestyle. Imagine the freedom of folding your bike in an instant, carrying it with ease and storing it practically anywhere. And when it comes to range, the Engwe P20 truly delivers. With its 36-volt, 9.6 Ah battery, you get an impressive 100 km of range. That's enough to handle all your daily commutes and weekend adventures without worrying about running out of power. With this long range capability, you can ride through your entire week carefree. Forget about charging every day. This e-bike has you covered. Now, let's talk about security. The Engwe P20 comes with an effective anti-theft system. The battery lock ensures that your battery is always safe and protected. With just one key, you can keep your bike secure without the hassle of complicated apps or unreliable technology. The system is easy to use and ensures that your battery and your peace of mind are protected wherever you park. Safety is where the Engwe P20 truly goes above and beyond. The bike comes equipped with integrated front and rear lights, ensuring that you are always visible to others on the road, whether it's day or night. But that's not all. It also features integrated turn indicators. With a simple press of a button, you can signal your turns to pedestrians and other drivers, making your ride safer and more predictable. This extra level of safety ensures that you are always in control, especially in busy traffic situations. When it comes to stopping power, the P20 is equipped with a top-of-the-line hydraulic brakes. This provides safe, reliable, and stable braking performance, even in wet and challenging conditions. Whether you are stopping in heavy traffic or on slick roads, these brakes ensure you stay in control. Combine that with puncture-proof tires, and you have got a ride that is not just smooth and quiet, but incredibly safe too. You won't have to worry about blowouts or sudden flats. And with the bike's IP6 waterproof rating, even rainy days won't stop you from riding. The Engwe P20 is built to fit you perfectly. With an adjustable stem and seat, you can tailor the bike to your exact height and preferences. It is designed to accommodate a wide range of riders. So whether you are tall, short, or somewhere in between, you can customize the ride for maximum comfort. And speaking of comfort, the SR seat is so soft and supportive. It feels like it was made just for you. Your long rides will be a joy no matter how far you go. But the P20 isn't just a ride, it's a smart ride. With the Engwe app, you can track all your trips, record your stats, and even monitor your bike's performance in real time. It's like having a personal riding assistant right in your pocket. And if you ever need assistance, the integrated sports center is just a tap away, making sure you are never left in the dark. This is riding reimagined for a modern commuter. And here is another reason to love the Engwe P20. When you purchase this incredible e-bike, you will receive a free gift box worth £49, packed with essential accessories to enhance your ride. Inside, you will find the Engwe front frame bag, perfect for storing your belongings during your commute. An Engwe phone holder to keep your device securely mounted while you navigate, and an Engwe spiral cable combination lock to give you added security wherever you park. It's everything you need to hit the road, fully equipped right from day one. So, why should you buy Engwe P20? Because it is more than just a bike. It's a solution. It's a solution for those who want an effortless ride, minimal maintenance, and maximum convenience. From its innovative torque sensor and carbon belt drive to its foldable, lightweight design and smart app integration, the P20 is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their daily commute or explore the city in style. With its long-range battery, advanced safety features, and true portability, the Engwe P20 offers a smarter, quieter, and more efficient way to move. Thank you for watching. The discount code and the link for the Engwe P20 is in the description. So be sure to check it out, and I will see you in the next video.